Hey guys. Hello Mac, hello JJ, hello Caitlin, and hello Kennedy. It's Thursday, April 2nd, the day after April Fool's Day. I hope you tricked somebody yesterday for April Fool's Day, because that's what it's all about, tricking someone. I just got back from the beach, and I tricked you. I was not really at the beach. Okay, fine. You probably didn't fall for that trick anyways. It was just a big picture movie of the beach behind me. So I tried to trick you on April Fool's Day. I don't know. It didn't work. But I like to pretend I was at the beach anyways. Well, I told y'all that I was going to set a trap for that blue guy who keeps coming in my videos all the time when I don't want him here. So that's what I'm going to do today. Okay, right down here. I'm going to set a little trap. Now, if he steps in this rope trap, the rope is going to snatch on his leg and pull him down. And he won't be able to get away. And then we'll find out what that guy's up to. Okay? Now, I'm gonna hide. You be quiet. Don't make a sound. Don't scare him off until he steps in the trap. It's gonna be so funny. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go hide. Is he gone? I don't see him anywhere. Hey kids, I'm just going to My leg is caught! I can't get out! He's gonna find me in here! Well. Looky what we have here. Shouldn't have been messing around in my room. I'm sorry, I won't do it again. Should I untie him, kids? All right, I will. You gotta promise to be good, though. I'll behave. All right. Come on up. These are my friends. Mac and Kennedy and Caitlin and JJ. I do videos for them. Usually we'd be at school by now, but since there's this virus thing going around, we have to do our lessons from home. So every day I make videos for them. And you keep sneaking in my videos every day. Not every day, lots of days. I'm sorry, I won't do it anymore. Yeah, because I caught you. Well, now what are we going to do? I'll help you with the lessons. Okay, I guess you could try to help and see how it works. Oh, we'll see. All right. First thing we're going to do is in our speed drill. What speed drill do we have today? Well, let me check our paper. We're almost to the end of our paper. Tomorrow's the last day of this paper, then we got to start a new one. Today's Thursday, April 2nd, math speed drill, page 94, number 3. Yeah, I can see it. Yes, 94, speed drill 3. Okay, so you may do 94 speed drill 3 on your own, and when you're ready, come back and we'll do math class together. Yeah, math class together! Okay, today's math page is 260. Let's get 260 up here. That looks so hard, I can't do that. Well, second graders can do that. I know they can because we've been learning this stuff. I wish I was in second grade. If you get a genie and a magic lamp, you'll be able to wish that. Let's look at number 1 together. Write the number of bills and coins needed to make the amount. Use the fewest pieces of money. What does that mean? It means that we have to find out how many $5 we need, how many $1 we need, how many quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. I wish I had nickels and pennies. You can just go to the store and get some. They have some there. If you buy something, they'll give you some. I want some. The dollars amount that we have to get to is $7.43. $7.43. How many $5 do we need to get to $7.43? Maybe one $5? Maybe. Maybe two $5? Well, why not? Well, if you have two $5, then you have $10, and that'd be too much. Yep, you're right. We only need one $5. One $5 bill. If we have two $5 bills, that's too much, because then we'll have $10, and we're trying to get to $7.43. How many $1 bills do we need? Well, we have a $5 already. How many $1 bills do we need to get to $7? Well, if we have 5, we need 6, 7. That's 2 more dollars. So $2. Yes, thank you for your help. That's $2 is correct. So now we have the dollars. We have $7. Now we have to get to 43 cents. How many quarters do we need? If we have 1 quarter, we'll have 25 cents, y'all. Yeah, 25 cents. But if we have 2 quarters, that would make 50 cents, and that's too much. We're only trying to get to 43 cents. So 1 quarter is enough for now. So put 1 in the quarters box. Then, if we have 1 quarter, that means we have 25 cents. How many dimes will we need? Well, if we have 1 dime, that takes 25 up to 35. That's right. 25 up to 35 with 1 dime, because 1 dime equals 10 cents. If we have 2 dimes, though, that will give us 45. And that's too much, because we're only trying to get to 43 cents. So 1 dime, because 2 dimes is too much. 1 dime. So if we have 1 quarter and 1 dime, that means we have 35 cents. This is easy. You were right. I know. So now we have to get to 43, and we're at 35. How many nickels do we need? Well, if we have 1 nickel, that would get us up to 40 cents. But if we have 2 nickels, that'll be 45 cents. 45.50, and that'll be too much again. Yes, so 1 nickel is enough. So now we have $7.40. How many pennies? 41, 42, 43. So, how many pennies? Well, I see 3 fingers, so I guess you mean 3 pennies. 1, 2, 3. I wish I had nice fingers like you. You do. Your fingers are very nice. Yes, they. Oh, achoo! Oh, let me wipe that nose. There we go. That's gross, dude. All right. Number 2. Answer the listening skill question. Show your work on the workspace. Now, this is something new for us. This is called listening skill question. Usually our questions are in the book, but this question I'm going to say, you're going to hear. It goes like this. In Acadia National Park, visitors can take a horse-drawn carriage ride. The carriage driver took 9 passengers on a carriage ride. Tuesday morning. I guess I should finish the sentence before I stop. Yeah, finish the sentence. On Tuesday afternoon, he took 5 passengers. Wednesday, he had 4 passengers in his carriage. How many passengers did the carriage driver take all together? Now, beside the picture, you see a workspace. That's where you can write your why in that workspace, your plus question to help you figure it out, because we're going to plus all these numbers together to find how many people rode in the carriage. I'm going to read it one more time. In Acadia National Park, visitors can take a horse-drawn carriage ride. The carriage driver took 9 passengers on a carriage ride Tuesday morning. On Tuesday afternoon, he took 5 passengers. Are you getting all this? Wednesday, he had 4 passengers in his carriage. So there's 3 numbers there. There's a 9, a 5, and a 4. So we're going to be adding 3 digits together. How many passengers did the carriage driver take all together? So use your workspace to add those numbers together to find how many passengers rode in the carriage. And then after you figure out your answer in the workspace, put your answer above the picture where it says blank passengers, where there's a picture of some people riding on a horse carriage. The rest of the page is pretty easy. Number 3, fill in the blanks. Can I do this part? Yeah, so you can do this part. Okay, 1 yard equals how many feet? 1 yard equals how many inches? 1 meter equals how many centimeters? 100. Did you just give them an answer? No. Okay. 1 foot equals how many inches? They could just look on the ruler for that one. I know, that's what I remind them all the time. But they should have those memorized, because we worked on them a lot. Number 4, write the number. Here we have some Roman numerals. I know lots of those. I love them. numbers and letters, you're mixing them all up. Oh, yeah. Write the number XXI. Well, X equals 10, and 2X's equals 20, and I equals 1. So I'm going to put that together to make 21. I'm so smart. I'm the smartest man alive. You're not even a man, and you're not even alive. Sorry, dude. Next, we have IV, X, MM. Now, 1M is 1,000. We didn't work on M's very much, but 1M is 1,000. So how much would 2 M's be? XIV is 10, and IV is 4. XVII, X is 10. VII is 7. Put them together. LX, well, here's a L is 50, and X is 10, and X comes after the 50. So we add then. And then C, another one I'm not sure about. C is 100. M is 1,000. C is 100. Those are the bigger Roman numerals that we're going to learn this year. At the bottom, we have some multiplications. Here's a couple times 2's in there, which we always double, the times 2's. A couple times 1's in there, and there's a times 5 and a times 10. All the things that we've been working on this year. Maybe tomorrow's lesson we'll do some more multiplication practice together. I hope I'll remember to do that because we'll do some more multiplication practice. I hope you're doing multiplication practice at home. That way we keep on learning and keep it fresh in our brains for next year. All right, pause it and finish your page. Or, if you're ready, let's turn to the next side. You so handsome. I know. God made me this way. Put your name and date on top. You're going to need your ruler for number 1. How many centimeters? Make sure on your ruler you use your cm side. That's the numbers close together, cm. Number 2. How many inches? This time we're going to use our inches side. Write the answer beside each line. Number 3, 1 leap year equals how many days? Well, how many days are in 1 year plus 1? That tells us a leap year. 1 day equals how many hours? 1 hour equals how many minutes? 1 minute equals how many seconds? And if I'm going too fast, please pause the video or rewind it or do what you have to do. I don't mean to go too fast, but I don't want our video to take an hour. Number 4, Roman numerals. Draw lines to match. Now 3 of these are repetitive Roman numerals. That means we add them because they're the same thing together. If you remember, C is 100, and there's 3 C's together. Next is LX. We did that one on the other side. You can just look on the other side and see how that was. MMM. Remember, 1M is 1,000. And we add repeated Roman numerals, and then X, I'm not going to tell that one at all because you should know how to find X, and you should know what X is equals to. So I'm not going to tell you. You're not going to tell them. No, I'm not going to tell them. You're not going to tell them. Maybe I will, though. No. You'll never be invited to one of my videos ever again. Sorry. Don't ever do that again. Okay. Number 5, we have some multiplication. Look carefully at each one. Use the rule that we learned for each one. If it's a times 10, make sure you bump the 0. If it's a times 2, double it. Number 6, we have some differences. That means we're going to be doing some borrowing if the top number is smaller. Remember, check every time to see if the top number is smaller or larger. Number 7, draw lines to divide these shapes. In the diamond shape, we're going to divide it into halves. When we have halves, we have 2 equal pieces. The circle shape gets divided into fourths, so we're making 4 equal pieces, and equal means the pieces are the same size. Last part of our math page. Mrs. Peterson was stacking puzzles at the gift shop. I love puzzles! She had 30 puzzles. That's a lot of puzzles! She put 5 in each stack, so she had 1 stack of 5, another stack of 5, another stack of 5. How many stacks did she have? Well, let's see. She had 30 puzzles. 30. She put 5 in each stack. So stack of 5 here, 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 all the way till she got rid of 30. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. All right, how many stacks was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stacks, y'all. 5 times 6. We have 6 stacks with 5 in each stack. 6 times 5 equals 30. That's how we use our multiplication. Our multiplication. Okay, finish your page. When you're ready, get out your phonics. You're such a big help today. I know. Phonics page 252, I believe. Looks like we're going to do some more coloring. Let me just check on my page here. Yes, 250, actually 251. We'll start with that. Oh, my. We have something new today. Something new? Something new. Most of the other things we learned at school and were just things we already learned before, but we have something new today called adjectives. We learned about nouns, person, place, or thing. We learned about verbs. Oh, I know about verbs! Actions. They're things that people or things do, like running or jumping, thinking. Yes, those are verbs. But adjectives are not nouns. They're not verbs. They're something else. Something else? Yes. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. They tell us about nouns. They tell us how something looks, sounds, smells, feels, or tastes. Let me tell you what I mean. If I have a dog, which is a noun, I could have a happy dog. Happy tells us about the word dog. What kind of dog do I have? A happy dog. It could also tell us how many dogs we have. 5 dogs. Wait, no. Yes. It can tell us how many. It could be stinky dog. What kind of dog do we have? We have a stinky dog. Adjectives tell us about something else. If I have ice cream is a noun. What kind of ice cream could I have? I could have delicious ice cream. I could have yucky ice cream. I could have blue ice cream. Maybe the color tells us about the noun. Words that tell us about the noun are called adjectives. We're going to learn adjectives a little bit today. I like adjectives so far. Me too. Use the clues to write one word. Then write the adjectives with the noun. This is how my blanket feels. How can your blanket feel? It could feel warm. It could feel fuzzy. Could feel soft. Could feel itchy. Those are all adjectives that tell us about the blanket. So maybe you could put soft in there in the first one. This is how my blanket feels. Soft. And then down below, soft blanket. Because soft tells us about the blanket. That's an adjective. See, it's not that hard. Because you're smart. Next one. This is how ice cream tastes. Blank. Yummy. Yummy ice cream. So I put yummy in the top blank. Yummy, I love ice cream. And then yummy in the bottom blank right below. This is how ice cream tastes. Yummy. You don't have to use yummy. You could use cold. Ice cream does taste cold. Cold ice cream. You could write creamy. Those are adjectives. There's lots of adjectives we can use to describe nouns. This is how my bedroom looks. Bedroom. How does it look? It could look neat. It could look sloppy. It could look messy. It could look shiny. Those are words you can use to describe a bedroom. Could you use the word delicious? No. Delicious. Bedrooms can't be delicious. I don't know. I ate a bedroom once. It was yummy. You can't eat bedrooms. I'm going to let you figure out the next ones on your own. I'm not going to tell you the answers. I want you to use your thinky thinks to think of your own answers, but I will read you the question. This is how a whisper sounds. How would we describe a whisper? This is how a rock feels. How does a rock feel? This is how chocolate brownies smell. Chocolate brownies. Mrs. Brooks makes really good chocolate brownies.
She does?
Yeah, she does. When you're finished, we'll go to dictation, pause it if you need to, and go back and finish part 1, and then we'll do part 2 together.
Oh, can I do part 2?
Yes, you can do part 2. I'm so glad you're here.
You my buddy.
You're my buddy too. Dictation. I'm going to tell you a word, and I want you to write that word. The first word is knotted. Knotted. Like the strings in my shoe are knotted. Knotted. Now remember, the word knot, there's 2 rules we have to remember here. The word knot starts with n-not, and we also have to remember when we put an ed on the end of a short vowel word, we got to double that consonant. So remember, n-not, and double the consonant before you add ed. Knotted. Second word, string. String.
I hear special sounds in that word.
Do you? What do you hear?
I hear stir and stream.
Anything else?
I hear ing and king. I love ing and king.
Me too. Third word is chipped. Chipped. Now remember, here's another short vowel word with an ed on the end. So we have to double that consonant. Chipped. And the last word is cup. Cup. Okay, let's go down to the bottom part. I'm going to read a sentence, and you are going to fill in the words where they belong. Ethan wore his patched jeans to play. Ethan wore his patched jeans to play.
Ethan wore his patched jeans to play.
You did great.
Thanks.
Okay, when you're ready, you may turn over to the back side. We'll do it together. Number 1.
Number 1.
Read the sentences.
Read the sentences.
Are you going to keep doing that?
Maybe.
If the underlined word is a noun, color the pine cone brown. Noun brown. It rhymes. If the underlined word is not a noun, color the pine cone green. So you're going to need a brown, and you're going to need a green. It talks about Acadian National Park all the time. Acadian National Park is a beautiful place with lots of trails. The word with is underlined. Is with a person, a place, or a thing? It's not a noun. So we're going to color that one green, because brown is for nouns. Green is for not nouns. Many people visit Acadia every year. The word every is underlined. Is that a person, place, or thing? Every is not a person, place, or thing. So we're going to color that green too. Some people camp and explore in Acadia. People is underlined. Is that a person, place, or thing? People is a person. Oh yes it is. In winter, visitors can ski on the trails. Trails is underlined. I want you to decide if that's a noun. In summer, visitors can ride their bikes on the trails. Bikes is underlined. You decide if that's a noun. Is bikes a person, place, or thing? Color it brown if it is. Number 2, look at the picture and write as many nouns as you can find. Here we have a picture of a bear. He must be staring at I can't tell you because then you'll be knowing the nouns. So I want you to look at that picture and write down as many nouns as you can find from that picture. There's a lot. I can see a few just by looking at it. I'll tell you a few of them. Boat. I see a boat in that picture, and boat is a noun.
It's a noun. I love boats.
I see a sign.
I see a sign too. It says, watch for bears.
Yep. But I'm not going to tell you any more.
Me neither.
You have to figure the rest of the nouns out on your own. There's a lot. Okay, when you're ready, take out your History. What are we reading about today? That's what I'm going to find out. Oopsies, wrong paper. What happened to my paper? Did you take my paper? I didn't touch no papers. There it is. Okay, history, 89 to 95. All right, we've been learning about the Native Americans, the Indians who lived here. The Indians and the Pilgrims. So in 89 to 95, you're going to learn about how the Pilgrims were having a rough time in the New World. Now God was with them, and He was helping them build their houses and have enough food, even though sometimes some sicknesses got to them and some people died. God did provide some people to help them, some Native Americans, some Indian people who came and helped them learn how to plant crops the right way and catch animals for food. So you're going to learn about that. Corn was one of the most important things, and you're going to learn about how some of the ways that they made corn. And there's some questions on page 90 if you want to look at and see if you can figure out those answers from your reading today. On your reading book today, page 57 to 63. Let's see what animal we're doing. I think bunnies still? Oh yeah, bunnies. 57 to 63. And that will finish up bunnies. There are some questions for that one too. See if you can figure out the answers to those when you're done with your reading. And next time, we'll be learning about some raccoons. Thanks for watching today. I will see you again tomorrow. Are you going to be back tomorrow?
Nah, I have stuff to do tomorrow. I can't come tomorrow, but I'll come visit some other time.
Yeah, my buddy will be back some other time. So, you be good. Be a good obeyer for Mom and Dad. Pray, brush your teeth, eat your food, and be good. I'll see you later.
I'll see you later too. Whee!